Folks, hey, it's Farmer James, Outside Beekeeping. I tell you, I'm trudging through the snow. I'm cleaning out beehives today. Oh man, temperature's like 40 degrees. Yeah, we got that warm wave I was talking about. And I got some hive activity. Some of the ladies are coming out, and if you see me bouncing up and down, it's because this snow is still over a foot deep. You know, if you want to, I'll go closer so that you can see what I'm talking about, because yeah, it's still very deep. I only cleared out the entrances. I didn't go into trying to do too much, again, because there's over a foot of snow. If you don't see that on the side of the hives, you definitely could see in the front of these beehives that there's still plenty of snow. So what I did was, yeah, if you look at that one way in the back above this little handy dandy tool, this is a hive bottom cleaner, and it gets pretty good, folks. It's pretty long, so it gets way deep up in there to get all those bees out that are dead on the bottom. And only the northern beekeepers are talking about that now, and all you southern beekeepers don't have to worry about that. But as you see, I'm still up here in the Great White North, and we got a lot more snow to deal with than everybody down south. So yeah, I'm stumbling. It's because the snow is still very deep. So I'm going to try to walk a little closer to these hives so you can get an idea to see if you see any bee activity. I mean, you may or you may not. Just because I cleared out the bottom doesn't mean that they're going to come out, but let's try to take a peek anyway. So you might notice no activity, some activity. Back there, you might see something. I see one of the girls flying around doing a cleansing flight, orientation flight, but no, it's a cleansing flight. So yeah, she's trying to figure out what's going on in this crazy snow. Yeah, just like me, stumbling around. But on the bottom, you could see, yep, dead bees. I've been cleaning out those bottoms, so yeah, those are old bees from the winter. So, you know, like I said, I really don't know what's going on. I'm going to check tomorrow and do some feeding if I need to. Actually, just some hillbilly sugaring, dry sugar on top. But yeah, take a quick look again. Yeah, and if you're lucky, you might see some activity. As I said, I did clean out these dead bees from the bottom because I just wanted to help out the ladies as they start to come down from the top as they feel this heat. So, yeah, just doing that. And like I said, folks, not a lot going on in the hives. It's still very cold in the sense that it's only in the 40s up here, but, you know, down south is probably in the 60s, 70s this week. So, yeah, spring is happening over there, but over here still a lot of that goodness in Vermont that we call snow. And if you look on top of that, yeah, that's just a little indicator about how deep it still is in the snow. So, yeah, this is what mountainside beekeeping is like. It's a waiting game in the springtime versus all you folks down south that are enjoying all this fun. That is happening, but spring is close because I saw my first robin, which was bizarre. And bizarre is bizarre is bizarre is bizarre. So I'm going to join this warm wave. I hope the girls enjoy the warm wave. I'm going to add some dry sugar tomorrow. You know, I'll film that and you guys can see what's going on. And my fingers are crossed, I still have some bees to play with. But yeah, I'm stumbling. It's a stumbling block out here. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with these girls. I cleared out a lot of those hives you see, okay, so that they can get that heat, and underneath is dry. There's no snow underneath, folks. So it did do that igloo effect that I was hoping, and I'm hoping that thermal regulation also helped them stay warm. But again, Farmer James Mountainside Beekeeping. I hope you folks enjoy this. Like, subscribe, give me your comments. I love your comments. I love them good or bad, don't matter. Farmer James Mountainside Beekeeping. Have a good day, folks.